Hello, good evening, friends. This is Rocky from TechnoGeek, and today I'm here once again with another video on how to install Windows Vista operating system. And in my last video, I had showed you how to install Windows 7 operating system, on VMware virtual machine. And my first video was on virtual machine, and if you don't know, if you have not seen that video, please I recommend you to go and watch that video to know exactly what virtual machine is, which I'll be using today to install Windows Vista operating system on my base PC. But you don't really need to have this virtual machine if you want to install Windows Vista in your base PC. Okay. uh, Actually, we use virtual machines so that we can run multiple operating system on a single PC. So I'll be using VMware Workstation so as to install my Windows Vista, and I'll be telling you what are these steps. I'll be describing in detail what are the steps which you need. So first of all, what you have before you install Windows operating system is number one is an image file in .iso and a bootable device with a boot preference on your PC. Like if you have a pen drive, bootable pen drive, then you'll have to set it accordingly in the boot preference in your BIOS setting. Like first option should be pen drive, flash drive, or if you have a bootable DVD, then you should be selecting boot preference for DVD first. Okay, so then restart, insert the CD, change the settings, and then restart. These are the three steps you need to take. Okay, so when you restart, you'll be seeing a pop-up like this. Okay, so let me make a full screen so that you can get a real-time experience of what will happen exactly. So this screen will be coming over there. So what you need to do is select language and time. Out of those language, probably only English is available. Okay, so United States or whatever, Canada, France, Germany, Australia, India, Gujarati, whatever time and currency format what you want it. And keyboard format, usually we don't disturb all these things, everything is set as US standards. And just click on next, and you have different option what to know before installing Windows, repair your computer, or yeah. So we are concerned here to install, so we will click on install now. So what will happen now? Let's wait and watch. Okay, we are asked for the product key. If you have purchased this product, this operating system from Microsoft, then you might get the product key along with the CD. Yeah, it will be an alphanumeric product key. You just need to paste it over here. However, or else you can just automatically active Windows when I'm online. You can just select that if you have purchased that, or if you have not purchased it, or you just have downloaded it from uh, any websites online, then it will not be a genuine version. And of course you'll be getting some time period for trial version or something. Yeah, for now, I don't want to waste this product key. I have not purchased this, and I'll be trying it for 30 days. I'll not exactly even try it for 30 days. I'll just be deleting this. However, for this video I have downloaded this ISO image file, and to illustrate, to demonstrate how to install this Windows Vista. And yeah, I don't, for my condition I'm not selecting this. For you, if you want this to be installed permanently and to be genuine, if you want this to be genuine, then you just need to click on click here and enter the product key and check this one. As soon as you log into Microsoft, it will get automatically activated. Okay, so next, if so it will show like I did not enter my product key. So if you chose not to enter product key now, you might need to reinstall Windows later and potentially lose data, information, programs, or you might need to purchase another edition of Windows. Okay, I know the risks, So these are the risks, guys. So just click on no. Yes, I know the risks, and still I need to install it. I took this risk because I'm not gonna install any data. It is actually running on my virtual machine, so I'm not gonna lose any data. However, it will be hanging, and it'll be you know not perform good if it's not genuine. So there are some methods so that you can make it genuine, but it's not good, friends, because there are developers invest a lot of time and hard work to make up this softwares. Anyhow, that's out of this topic. So I'll be discussing about that piracy and genuine products later on in some other video, but as far as now, I'll be clicking on accept and next. Actually, I want to try this version so for 30 days so that I'm not entering product key. I did not enter that product key. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to upgrade it or custom, upgrade can only happen for higher versions, and custom it'll be greater. You don't have the option for upgrade, because if you have already used Windows 7, you can upgrade. You can upgrade to Windows 8, not Windows Vista, Windows Home. Yeah, upgrading is increasing your capacity. So now let's click on custom. Okay, same as my previous video, like disk partition, which I had done in my Windows 7 operating system installation process, the same process has to be followed over here as well. At the same time, you just need to click on new, and you can just select what partition you just wanted that to happen, and I will just select 35,000, and I'll click on apply. It's taking a bit time. Okay, so 34.2 GB has been created as primary, and rest of it, 15.8 GB is not allocated. So I'll be allocating that as well. So yeah, here we go. And now our partition has been done, and if you want to format it, you can format it. Yeah, you can load drivers at the same time, but as far as now, we just have partitioned, and we made the partition, and we have allocated both our primary, and now I'll click next. Okay, so this process is also similar to that of Windows 7 operating system in last video which I have showed you. It will take a time, it will take a little bit time, so what I'll do is I'll pause the video so that it doesn't waste your time, and I'll come back as soon as it gets 100% expanding files or installing features is over. I'll come back, friends. Okay, so friends, it's been around 10 minutes approximately from when it has been started for expanding files. Okay, installing features, installing updates. So okay, installing update happened. Okay, restarting in restart now. If you don't click on that restart now button, then it'll happen within 5 to 6 seconds. So I just wanted to start save as much as time as I can, so I just clicked on that restart now button. Okay, well, so yes, friends, as if you have already seen the previous video of mine of Windows 7 installation, I don't find any difference. However, Windows Vista is a previous version, older version than Windows 7, which is the latest version, which came after Windows Vista and Windows 8, and now it's Windows 10. However, so Windows Vista is a lower version of Windows 7, and there is almost 99.9999% similarity between the procedures that we need to take, that we need to follow to install Windows Vista as well. And the procedure did not change for Windows 7 installation as well, and it will not. It has not even changed for Windows 8. There is a difference, a little difference in Windows 8, because it asks us to, create an account. It makes us to create an account. Unless we create an account, it doesn't install. However, I'll be making a separate video on Windows 8 installation. But as far as now, Windows 7 and Windows Vista, Windows XP as well. Windows XP there is a little bit different because it's much lower version of Windows than Windows Vista. So there is a difference for Windows XP. But Windows Vista and 7 are almost same. Almost in the sense totally same. Unless you're considering the background. It's almost same. It's completely same. So completing installation. I hate waiting, really. So guys, you can forward the video if you want. If you're getting bored, then you can just forward the video. Completing. Don't get confused, for all those who don't know what I'm doing right now on my PC. It's a virtual machine. I know I repeatedly tell this, but for those who know this, that's good. But for those who don't know what I'm doing, they might get confused. So it's my responsibility to tell them that what I'm doing is, you don't need to worry. You just need to add the CD, and it'll happen like this in your PC. But in my PC, for this making this video, and I'm right now running Windows 7 Ultimate on my basic PC and Windows Vista on virtual machine. Okay, so this is basically virtual machine. So if you don't know what's virtual machine, you can just watch my previous video on virtual machine, creating virtual machine. You'll be getting a clarified view, yeah, whatever, on virtual machine. So let's now focus on Windows Vista. I hope it's completed. Windows 99.9% installation is already completed, friends. Okay. Microsoft Corporation. You can, as I said earlier, you can forward this video, my dear friends. Okay, come on. Set of Windows has come up, so let me choose the photo, or else let me choose this one, I think. Okay, so let me type my name. type a password. It's your choice. Retype a password and password hint. It's totally upon you what you want to do. I don't want to keep password for my PC, so I'm clicking. I just keep it for blank and next. And yeah, if you like this name, just keep it, and if you don't, then just edit it. Okay, so use recommended settings, important, install ask me. If you have purchased this version, then I just recommend you to just click on this use recommended settings. Okay, and if you have downloaded it and it's a cracked version or it's a pirated version, which I don't recommend you to use, however, because of its least security, and you won't get support from Microsoft support centers or whatever problem you may face afterwards. After installing the product, it will not be their responsibility to help you. So there are so many disadvantages if you use pirated CDs or something. However, now I did not enter the product key, nor I want this to get activated as soon as I enter online. So I just will be selecting ask me later. You can select on that use recommended settings as so. This will depend on which area, geographical area do you live, and I'm right now in India, so I'll be selecting India, and time is 12:23. So yep, that's right. And next, choose the computer's current location, home or public location, whatever you want. Okay, so start it. I just love this background. It's quite more impressive than Windows 7, at least what I feel. Getting it done just got more fun. Time is precision more than ever. You need a system that is simple, easy, natural, and enjoyable. So you can, however, friends, you can just forward this videos. Forward this video. Fast forward this video. I don't have choice. I just need to sit in front of this and wait till the process gets completed. Okay. Okay. Connect and communicate like never before. It's now safer and easier to connect with people who matter most. Well, that was an era when Windows Vista was released after Windows XP, so it was a revolution, kind of a revolution. Yeah. So all these things, all these features were totally new, and you know that really changed the world that we live today. And now it's the era of Windows 10, and things have changed exponentially, no doubts at all. But still, Windows Vista and Windows 7 are being extensively used across the world despite Windows 8 and Windows 10 upgradation. Because of its performance, Windows 7 is the most loved operating system in the world. Anyways, CMD, copyright Microsoft Corporation, all rights reserved. Okay, okay. What do I do now? Nothing. You don't need to do anything. It'll be done. Yes, it's successful, my dear friends. So we have finally installed Windows Vista Ultimate. Boom. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Since I'm installing this Windows Vista on a virtual machine, it's taking a bit time, a lot time. I mean, it's a lot of time, but it will not happen if you are installing it in a base PC. Okay, so two operating systems are running simultaneously, so its performance is a bit slow. It depends upon your processor. Okay, so yes, pretty much impressive backgrounds. So here we go. We have view computer details and CPU standard VGA graphics, computer name Rocky PC, Windows 1 GB RAM and 3.1 GHz i3 core processor. So 30 days to activate because I have not entered the product key and 32-bit Rocky PC. So yeah, pretty much we have installed everything. Windows Vista has been installed, my dear friends. Uh, as you can see, the looks, as far as the looks are concerned, uh, okay, so did I shut down it? Okay, anyways, so this is how you install Windows Vista. Okay, so you don't nothing, there's nothing to worry, friends. It's just getting restarted again and again. It's just getting updated, and yeah, here we go. Refresh, 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 refresh. Okay, okay. So yeah, so this completes the installation of Windows 7. I'm sorry, Windows Vista. Okay, so yeah, so if you have any kind of doubts in installing Windows Vista from now, after watching this video, please let me know what your doubt is and I'll try to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please let me know that you like this video and subscribe this video. Not that I'll be a billionaire if you subscribe the video, but yes, it'll motivate me to keep on. It's an information sharing video, so if you subscribe and like it, I'll be, it'll motivate me to make more videos so that people can be benefited, definitely. And uh, and what else, and if you share it, please share this video so that more people, more students, more geeks, or more students, yeah, those who want to learn technology, more who are newbies can learn more from these videos so that they can get benefited. For all those who are trying to install operating systems, they can see my previous video on Windows 7 operating system and virtual machine technology. I'll be giving you latest updates on the latest technology. I'll be showing you the live demonstration. Yeah, that's it for today, friends, and so very much thank you for watching this video, and stay inspired, stay healthy, and keep learning, friends. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.